Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. This is my tips and tricks today, and it's all about substitutions or replacements. So let's get to it. Be right back. Welcome back. Alright, all these substitutions is if you don't have it, or you can't have it, or you don't want it, then you can substitute it with something else. So let's get started. When making salsa, a lot of people don't like cilantro. Make it with coriander instead. Or, as our favorite person, Blind Views, he uses mustard greens. Take a look at this up here. Doesn't that look good? Also up here, you'll find a link to that video of where he makes his salsa. It looks darn good there, Blind Views. And I'll also put an end screen to it at the end of this video if you can't click on the above. Alright, let's continue. Tip number 2. Cakes and or cupcakes. Alright, there's a lot of substitutions for this. Substitute oil for butter. Use butter instead of oil. Use sour cream instead of water. And fold into the cake mix after you've already added your regular eggs to it. Stiff peaks of 2 egg whites beaten up. You'll see the texture, the taste is all so much better. Alright, let's continue on again. Step 3, red wine. Some people don't like the taste of red wine. Some people can't have it. Some people, due to their beliefs, don't drink alcohol. But you can substitute whatever says red wine. You replace it with the equal amounts of either grape juice or beef broth. Now on the Towboat, when I made my braised ribs, since I couldn't use the red wine, I believed one time I used the grape juice and the other one I used the beef broth. It tastes just as good, if not even better. Alright. Let's continue. Step number 4. Are you out of baking powder? Instead of running to the store because of the one item, if you have baking soda and cream of tartar, or you have baking soda and buttermilk, you can don't have to have baking powder. Take a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. That will make for your baking soda right there. Or a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Now if your recipe has other liquids in it, you have to make sure, say if it has a cup of water, only put in a 1/2 cup of water because the other 1/2 cup is the buttermilk. Alright, let's continue. Step number 5. Well, let's talk about buttermilk. You know how some people, you go out and buy either a quart or 1/2 gallon, maybe only use a cup out of it? Well, now you don't, and then you toss the rest away, you just wasted that money, right? Well, instead of going out and buying that, do you have milk? Okay, you can put in either a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar in enough milk to make 1 cup. Stir it, let it sit about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, stir it again, it's buttermilk. Or you could use yogurt instead of buttermilk. Alright, let's continue again. Step number 6, brown sugar. If you don't have any brown sugar, you could bake your own. It's made out of sugar and molasses. So, for light brown sugar, measure 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of molasses in a mixing bowl. Stir it with a fork until completely mixed. If you want the dark brown sugar, it's the same as the light brown sugar. Instead of 1 tablespoon of molasses, you use 2. And you prepare it the same way. Stir it in a mixing bowl till it's all mixed. There's your brown sugar. Step number 7. Here comes another alcohol item. Rum. Any amount that is required for rum, you make up this instead. You use 1 part rum extract plus 3 parts of water. So if you have need a cup of rum, then it's 3/4 water and 1/4 cup of rum extract. Rum extract is just the rum flavoring. It is not alcohol. But you could have the flavor. So if you want to do rum balls without the alcohol, there you go. But who wants rum balls without no alcohol in it? Just saying. Alright, let's continue. Step number 8. Eggs. In baking, if you don't have enough eggs but you got bananas, half a banana equals out to 1 egg. If you want to substitute eggs completely, just remember, half a banana equals 1 egg. Gives it much flavor too to the item that you're baking. Alright, let's continue. Step number 9. For cake flour. Everybody says, what's the difference? There is a difference. For cake flour, you make 1 cup of cake, for 1 cup of cake flour is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in all-purpose flour to fill 1 cup. So you put the 2 tablespoons in first of the cornstarch, and then you fill the rest with all-purpose flour. You've got yourself a cake mix. Alright, let's continue. Last but not least, for those that like ice cream but don't want the calories. If you'd like a half a cup of ice cream, then you get a half a cup of frozen bananas and you blend it. There's your ice cream. Bananas are very good for you. It has the natural sugar. See, there's a difference between natural sugar and processed sugar. Your body accepts the natural sugar without hurting you. Processed sugar, there you go with diabetes, and that sugar turns into fat. So we don't want that. Matter of fact, I just may make some and show it to you. Alright. Okay, that was my tips and tricks. Unfortunately, I meant to do something there at the end, but I can't remember what I was supposed to do. As I said in my previous video, it's been a long week, and trying to get these videos out. I'm exhausted, but today's now Tuesday. I am going to be off Wednesday and Thursday, so I'm going to get some rest. Don't forget to come to my Wednesday night live stream. It's at 6 p.m. Central Time, and it's going to be a rant, and I'm blaming somebody, and he knows who he is. Alright, we're going to have fun with it, but be there. Alright, at the end of this week, probably Friday, I'm going to try for Friday. I'm going to do that banana ice cream. I'll most likely put some strawberries in it too. Ooh, doesn't that sound good? Banana strawberry ice cream, all natural. No sugar will be added, no other flavoring. Alright. Alright, there's also one thing I need to add. Didn't I just say alright, alright, okay. I paused there, moved on. Alright, alright. This is going to be a new thing instead of blooper alert. Anyways, and so, shush, Billy. Anyways, as I was saying, there is a subscriber. You need to remind me which tips and tricks has to do with spices that you wanted me to do, You were asking me questions, and I do apologize. I could not find that response. I know. I'm having problems with those responses. I don't know what it is. It's just bad week, okay? I'm glad you all love me. This is how it is. I can show you the real stuff here. I want to thank you all for supporting this channel and having fun with me. And if you're new to my channel, trust me, we have lots of fun here. Ask everybody else in the comments. Click on the subscription button. Click on that notification bell so you can get all my videos. And put a thumbs up, leave a comment. And I will find the comments now. Previous video, which I'll put down below in the description of the little rant, the apology in the little rant. You all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And again, thank you for being here. Bye-bye now.